The second video we're going to look at, ladies and gentlemen, is trying to identify an outlier amongst a set of data. Now you see, it's pretty difficult to spot the outlier here. We're all very, very good looking gentlemen. You might find though that I'm a little bit more mature, a little bit more aged, a little bit older than these guys, so I guess my age could make me a bit of an outlier. I think I'm probably the best looking guy here, so that probably also makes me a little bit of an outlier. But this particular video, we're actually concentrating on heights. And if you have a look, we're all relatively the same height.
Can I have those textbooks, please?
You want them now? You want those textbooks now? As you can see, now that our heights have been slightly adjusted, there may be a bit of an outlier. That could be my height.
Thank you, Mr. Wilkie.
Okay guys, we're going to show you the effect of an outlier on one data set. You appreciate from having a look at the heights of those 5 gentlemen, I am just a touch shorter than those other guys there, so it may be considered a bit of an outlier. We're going to have a look at the mode first. Now it hasn't actually changed the mode whatsoever because there's still only one piece of data, so in fact the mode is again not applicable for this data set.
Now when looking at the mean, we have to change the total score and the number that we're looking at there. So we add on the 170 and change the 4 to a 5 as we're now looking at 5 scores. That gives us 917 over 5 and a new mean of 183.4 centimetres. As you can see, it's decreased our mean by quite a bit, and this number here no longer represents the group as well as the original mean did.
We're now going to have a look at the median of this new set of data with the outlier. Now if you remember, the middle number is the median once you've got it in ascending order. So we placed all of those scores in ascending order. This time there's 5 data points. Because it's an odd number, we've got just one central value, which becomes our median at 185. You can see that's not really much of a difference from the 185.5 in the other data set. So really we can say that an outlier has not had much effect at all on the median.
We're now going to look at the range, the difference from the highest score to the lowest score. The range here is going to be 193, take away 170 centimetres. This gives us a range of 23 centimetres.
You can see that's a fair bit bigger than the previous range of 10 centimetres, so that outlier again has made a significant difference to the range. So summing up, what would you say the overall effect of the outlier on this set of data?
I would say it changed the mean and it no longer represents the data as well as the original mean without the outlier.
Definitely true.
While the median stayed quite similar, we saw that the range also had quite a significant change.
Fantastic. And the mode didn't change this time,
no,
but that's not necessarily representative of all sets of data. Hope you've learned something about outliers, mean, median, mode and range.
And the Oscar goes to...